Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. In today's video, I'll be preparing unripe plantain fufu. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video. So stay tuned and see how I prepare unripe plantain fufu. I'm in the kitchen right now, and I'll be processing it right away. Two plantain. I'll be using these two plantain for this plantain fufu. So we're gonna cut it now. Cut it. Remove the skin. Plantain is full of benefits. So nice. I love taking it because it's a healthy meal. Every meal in plantain food is healthy. It's healthy. I'll be putting water now. I'm putting water, but little water. I don't need to put much water in it. I don't need to put much water. This little water to get this thing out of the blender. Put a little water to get it out because I don't want it to waste. Okay. Get it out. This plantain fufu is very healthy. It's very healthy, especially for the elderly. For the elderly one, plantain fufu is very nice. So I'll keep turning it so that it will not have lumps. Keep turning it. Keep turning it. Low the heat. The heat must be on a low heat. Must be on a low heat. This must be on a low heat. Keep turning it. Keep turning it. See that it's changing color already. So see, you see that. You see that? So nice. So 1 minute. 1 minute. It's okay. 1 minute. Can you see that? I don't want it to get burnt, so I'm bringing it down. So I'm bringing it down. Can you see that? It's already done. Can you see that? So right away, I'll be to pack it now. Pack it now. I'm putting it into this plate. Put it into this plate. This is a very rich meal for anyone that desire good health to eat. It's quite expensive here. Plantain is quite expensive here, but if you can lay hand on it, you can afford it. It's worth it. It's worth it. There's a lot you can do with unripe plantain. So this is it now. Turn it into the plate. This our plantain fufu. This is our plantain fufu. You can see it. It's very rich and yummy the way you are seeing it. So it's nice. Thank you for staying to the end watching this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe and click on the notification bell, and see you in my next one. Bye.